Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn with Chetu, your one-stop guide to grow and glow in the world of IT. Today's video is packed with value. We're talking about the latest booming technologies in IT, their pros and cons, and some powerful motivation for freshers. Let's talk about the hottest technologies that are shaping the future. These aren't just buzzwords, they're real opportunities. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are used in automation, healthcare, finance, and even entertainment. Cloud computing is crucial as everyone's moving to the cloud. Jobs in DevOps and cloud security are exploding. Cybersecurity is essential as data threats grow. Companies need ethical hackers and security analysts more than ever. Blockchain and Web3 are not just about crypto. They're used in supply chains, smart contracts, and secure voting systems. Data science and analytics show that data is the new oil. Every business needs someone to turn raw data into smart decisions. Full-stack development is still in high demand. Master frameworks like React, Node.js, and Flutter to stay ahead. Pros of a career in IT include high salary potential, flexibility, fast growth, global opportunities, and continuous learning. However, cons include constant upskilling, high competition, screen time overload, and stress at deadlines. Now, if you're a fresher, here's my message to you. You don't need to know everything. Start small, stay consistent. Pick one technology and build projects. Contribute to open source, join communities, and follow tech trends.